going to talk about how to make a presentation based on the first model. I'm Carlos Carvalho. The first topic will be how to plan a presentation. First, we need to design the presentation. Before start to making the slides, we need to practice, know our subject, know the person that we want to make the presentation. Second, we need to be assertive, use the it's not the same have a presentation to a group of kids, to a group of businessmen or politics. It have a different focus. Contact. This is the verbal contact, the non-verbal contact, and the eye contact. First is the verbal, how we talk to the persons. The non-verbal is how we stand and interact with the people in the presentation of the audience. And the eye contact is to look to everyone in the presentation, to they feel immersive in the presentation. They don't want to feel lonely or ignored because they can get bored. And the breath. We need to have a good breath and rhythm, because if we don't have, we can feel tired. Like we can feel tired and lose the rhythm. Next is the drink. If we don't, the last one is the drink. If we don't drink enough water, we can feel our throat a little dry, and we can misspoke. Also, we don't need to drink a lot of cold water because they can give you a little pain. The second is the development of the content. First is determine the purpose of the presentation. What we want to do, what we want to the audience to do in base of our presentation. The second is to know our audience. It's like I say, we don't approach the same way to a kid, to a grown man, a teenager. Is a little approach. Third is define your topic. What are you talking about in the presentation, and how to do it in the right way to grab the attention of the audience. Next is to arrange the material to make sense. You can use balloons to a political presentation. You can use a lot of dark materials when you want to talk about with kids. It's kind of like that. Compose the presentation, how it's going to be prepared, or the parts of the presentations. The visualize how we are going to grab the attention of the people, the audience. Next is practice the presentation. We need to practice. If we don't practice, we will make mistakes, a lot of them. And make adjustments. In base of our practice, we will notice some things that need to be changed, some things doesn't, but it's all based on practice. The analyze the room of the presentation. This is important because it's not the same speaking to 4 people than 100. We need to change some things depending on the number of the crowd. And keep practicing. The type of presentation. The first is the informative presentation. This is to let the audience know about certain subject. The second is the persuasive presentation. In this, we want to make to convince the audience of voice something, sell something, agree to something, or not. The Goodwill presentation is like a charity presentation. It's like the Teletón or the Red Cross. The multi-purpose presentation is the mix of 2 or more type of presentations. The instructional presentation is when you want to show someone how to do something, I don't know, something in a computer program, something in any regard. Arousal presentation is motivational presentation, how to increase the feelings in the people. The decision decision making is when you want the people to make an action. You want to get a person motivated. And the other presentation is the one that doesn't get to this list, but is some variation of the communication skills. The first is the verbal, is how we talk to the audience. The non-verbal is, like I say, the posture, the gestures, how we interact with the people without saying something. The written is the font, the color, the letters that we use in our presentation, and the visualization is the background, the images, videos, etc. And the types of audience. First is the unaware. It's the people that doesn't understand what we're talking about. It's because they don't care or because they don't know about the subject. The indifferent is the people that they don't care about the presentation. They only stand here because they have to. The favorable presentation is the favorable audience is the one that agrees with you. It's a topic about religion, politics, things like that. And the unfavorable people is the persons that don't agree with you, the person that doesn't want to agree with you. Thank you.